Mikey, look. It's one of my favorite artists, Claude Monet.
Where? I don't see him.
No, Mikey, this is his painting, Water Lilies.
If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream, ah!
No, Mikey, this painting is a pond in France. There aren't any crocodiles in France, silly.
I did not know that. Learning at the art gallery.
That's right, Mikey. Let's move to the next room. This is more your speed, I believe, Mikey.
This is an amazing painting.
It's called A Friend in Need, and it's an American artist.
Look at all the dogs. They're playing cards. And I think that one's cheating.
Yes, indeed. Should we move on?
No, Betty. This is my favorite painting of all time. Let's stay.
I don't doubt it is. Come along. Mikey, this is a Kandinsky.
A whoski?
A Russian painter, Mikey.
Oh, okay, Ski.
Do you like the colors? And the brush strokes?
I do, and it looks like something I could try when I get home.
Well, let's go grab a cup of tea, then we'll head home ski.